Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a to-do list on your Google Sheet using the template. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a to-do list on your Google Sheet PC. So here just click on this template gallery. So you just want to scroll down. You can see in the first template in the personal is a to-do list. So double click on the template, it will open and it allow you to edit it. So now you can see the template. You can just double tap here and you just can type whatever that you want to make a to-do list like this. After you can just pick this which actually strike the to-do list if you haven't done the work. So you can see here on the top, so 3/3 completed. So you can see 4/3 completed. You can just double tap here and you can see there is an option to edit the formula. So you can also track by sort by date, task, and also you can just choose the color options. There is a lot of options they have been enabled it's already, so you can just edit it and you can use it for your own use. You can see you can just add or insert a row or column on the right side like this. You can see it changes to D. So this is how you just enter or edit the to-do list on your Google Sheet mobile, not web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.